Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you are using a mouse with your Mac and feel like you're not getting enough control over it, there's an app you should definitely know about. It's called SteerMouse. SteerMouse is a powerful mouse customization utility for macOS that lets you change mouse buttons, scrolling, cursor movement, sensitivity, acceleration, and much more. So in this video, I will show you what a SteerMouse is, what it can do, and why it can be a great choice for Mac users who want more control over their mouse. Normally, macOS gives you some basic mouse settings, but if you are using a mouse with multiple buttons, you may want more customization options. That's where SteerMouse comes in. Instead of being limited to the default mouse settings, SteerMouse lets you customize individual buttons and assign different actions to them. You can create shortcuts, control system functions, launch applications, and even configure your mouse differently depending on what you are doing. This can be especially useful for productivity, editing, gaming, and professional workflows. So let's install SteerMouse. Now first open the browser and search for SteerMouse for Mac and press enter. Now you can see here SteerMouse. Click on it. Now you can see here the download category. Just click on the download. Now you will see here the download button. Now simply click on the download button. As you can see, the download is successfully completed. Now let's install SteerMouse on Mac. Double click on the DMG file. Now you can see here the installer is open. Now simply drag the SteerMouse to the application folder. Now let the installation to be done first. That's it. The installation is successfully completed. You can see the SteerMouse app on the launchpad. Open the app. Click on open. Now you can see on my screen it is asking for the permission. Just simply click on OK. Then click on Open System Preferences. Now at the left sidebar, just select Accessibility. Then click on the lock. Provide your Mac password here. Now just take the SteerMouse and SteerMouse Manager at the right side. Allow the apps below to control your computer. Then simply close this setting. Now open the app again. As you can see, the interface of SteerMouse on my screen. Now there are categories like buttons, wheel, chords, cursor, device, license, and support. Let's start from sub buttons. On button section, you can see here the primary key is right, okay, or the left button. You can see here. You can just simply click on it and change it from here. You can do this setting from all of these: left button, right button, middle button, button 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, just customize it according to your preference. Then go on wheel. From here you can also see roll down, scroll up. Just change the direction or change the button and acceleration, speed, sensitivity, everything from here. This is for roll down, you can see here. And then roll up. Same things you can apply for roll up as well. The speed, acceleration, sensitivity, okay, everything. And then tilt right and tilt left. Okay, you can see here the position as well, and the same thing will apply tilt right and tilt left. Okay, now let's come to chords. Here there is no chord, leave it. Then let's come to cursor. From here you can just improve the acceleration. If you move this cursor to the right side, it will become faster, and if you move it to the left side, it will become slower. Same thing will apply on sensitivity as well. Okay, and if you lose your default sensitivity, don't panic. At the left side you can see here restore system default. Just simply click on it. This will do the sensitivity by default that Mac provides. On the other side you can see a device. If you can add or any USB device or Bluetooth device mouse to your Mac, it will show here and you can customize it from here. Now license and support. About the app, if you want to uninstall it, click on uninstall. If you want to check for updates, simply click on it like this. Your version is up to date as you can see on my screen. Contact support. If you need any help assistant of SteerMouse, simply go on this support system, and when you click on uninstall, you can see here it will be successfully uninstalled. When you click on this uninstall and then OK, as you can see SteerMouse will be uninstalled from your Mac. If you are using a basic mouse and you are happy with the default macOS setting, you may not need it, but you are using a high-end or multi-button mouse and want to get the most out of it, SteerMouse is definitely worth checking out. And if you want, I can also make a separate video showing the best SteerMouse setting for productivity and MacBook users. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification for more Mac tutorial. Thank you for watching.